Rialto Antiqua1 is a fine-colored decorative plaster made up of seasoned slaked lime, high-quality aggregates such as white Carrara marble, colored earths, and natural oxides. The traditional composition of this finishing allows you to make colored surfaces with soft and warm tones while maintaining a high breathability of the masonry. Its content of magnesium slaked lime gives it structure and resistance. Rialto Antiqua1 can be used for applications which require good workability and a high resistance to the atmospheric agents. Using the stainless steel trowel, we apply, on a suitably treated support, the first coat of Antiqua1, about 1 to 1.5 millimeters thick. At this stage, it is not necessary to press strongly or to smooth out the product. Small imperfections and defects in the layout can be easily fixed in the following phase. Before the first coat is completely dry, we work with a sponge trowel to level the surface. Drying time varies depending on the humidity, ambient temperature, and absorption of the surface, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. The typical slow setting time of the air hardening lime allows a wide period of workability of the product. To get a complete and uniform top coat, we apply a second coat with the same technique after a 24-hour interval. If we want to get a surface with the classical, elegant, and austere appearance of the lime plaster, we finish up and simply complete with a sponge trowel. This is the traditional frattazzato effect. If instead we want to get a smoother and compact surface, while also emphasizing the tone of the color, we use the steel trowel and we delicately smooth the second coat until reaching the desired effect. This is also known as lamado effect. Once completely dry, Antiqua1 will appear in its classic and unalterable beauty, embellishing your walls with color and character.